People will blame me otherwise.
वोटिंग परसेंट को लेकर आपका क्या कहना है? क्या वोटिंग परसेंट रहेगा तेलंगाना में?
होना चाहिए 65-70% तो मिनिमम होना चाहिए।
और आपने कहा था कि इलेक्शन रिजल्ट के बाद जो रीजनल पार्टियां हैं उसका जो रोल है वो बढ़ जाएगा चुनाव में। क्या आप अपने स्टेटमेंट पे कायम हैं?
बिल्कुल एकदम आप देख लीजिए वही स्थिति उभर रही है पूरे देश में। इसमें कोई शक नहीं।
There is a narrative being built now that Modi will not be the next Prime Minister. If there is Congress-led India bloc forming, will you join hands with them?
नहीं, according to the BJP's own rule prescribed by themselves, after 75 years nobody will take up any position. Accordingly, Mr. Modi has to step down. It is quite possible. It is up to the BJP people to think.
Sir, will you join hands with the India bloc in the days to come?
There is nothing like a bloc, I am telling you. There is nothing like a bloc. Now regional parties will be the power in India.
रीजनल पार्टियां डिसाइड who will be the Prime Minister. रीजनल पार्टियां डिसाइड who will be the next Prime Minister.
ఇక దేశవ్యాప్తంగా 10 రాష్ట్రాల్లో 4వ విడత లోక్సభ ఎన్నికల సందడి నెలకొంది. తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల్లో ఎన్నికల పోలింగ్ ప్రశాంతంగా కొనసాగుతుంది. ఏపీలో 25 పార్లమెంట్ 175 అసెంబ్లీ నియోజకవర్గాలకు పోలింగ్ నిర్వహిస్తుండగా తెలంగాణలో 17 లోక్సభ స్థానాలకు ఎన్నికలు జరుగుతున్నాయి.
Well, we are very confident, we are very hopeful also that we'll do well. In fact, our best tally was 11. This time we are hoping to better it. Only because I think the big man who cheated India 10 years ago has now been completely outed. People have realized the mistake they've made. And the small man here who's cheated us 5 months ago in